upcycling an oversized pair of linen pants I found at the thrift store into overalls. You either love them or you hate them, and if you don't love them, I don't trust you. Who doesn't love overalls? They're like a piece of clothing that both kids and adults can wear. I only have one pair of overalls and they're a black denim pant version. So I wanted to make another like casual, flowy, short version. So that is what I'm gonna do today. When I found these pants at the thrift store, I was really loving the linen and the color of them. So I think that will translate pretty well into my vision. Oh hey, did you notice that I'm wearing the tank that I made last week? You can go check it out too if you want. It's my last video that I uploaded. But in all seriousness, this top literally took me like 10 minutes to make. It was so easy. It's my new favorite thing, hands down. Go check it out. After you watch this video, of course. So let me just tell you what my overall plan is for the overalls. So my plan is to cut the shorts off and use the rest of the pant legs as the fabric to make these overalls. So I'm gonna take the shorts in from the front and back rises and a little bit from the sides. And then I'm gonna use that fabric from the pant legs to make the top, which I'm just gonna make 2 panels, and then I'm going to do 2 straps that are going to slide into buttonholes on the back panel, and then I can tie a knot and they can stay secure that way. So when it's all said and done, hopefully it'll be looking something like this. Something like that. Alright, so I just took the shorts in and I roughly cut them on the bottom. I'll hem that later. But I just took them in on the sides from the inside and literally just sewed a straight line all the way down each of the sides and then serged off the excess. So now I'm gonna start working on both of my pant legs to figure out the top half. Right now. So as you can see, I have the front panel on, and what I did was I took the other pant leg and I cut it down the seam right here so I could open it up, and then I just kind of cut out the shape that I wanted, and then I sewed it right on the inside of the shorts. So I think the next step would be to kind of fix this up. It's not very pretty right now. Maybe shorten it. I'm also gonna add a pocket right here, 2 pockets on the back. Hopefully, if I have enough fabric, I think that I will. And then obviously add the back one on and create those buttonholes.
Change
right, so I'm moving on to the pockets, which is gonna be super simple. I just have a scrap piece and I serged all of the edges off of this. And then I'm just gonna fold those serged edges under and stitch it right in the middle of the front. And as you can see, I kind of cleaned this up. I shortened it and just made it a little bit better looking. Would you look at that?